Radishes are truly remarkable, offering incredible benefits for both bone and brain health.
Finally, our fifth powerful benefit, and this one might surprise you. Radishes are a great source of fiber, which is essential for your gut health. And believe it or not, there's a strong connection between your gut and your bone health. Screen recording CUE. New text overlay/slide. Benefit number 5. Rich in fiber for gut-bone axis with an image showing gut and bones connected. You might be thinking, what does my gut have to do with my bones and joints? Well, it turns out a lot. Our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our intestines, plays a vital role in nutrient absorption, including minerals like calcium and magnesium that are critical for bone density. A healthy gut also helps regulate inflammation throughout the body. Screen recording CUE. Go to Google and search gut microbiome bone health. Show a few articles or images highlighting this connection. Point to a phrase like gut-bone axis. The fiber in radishes acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This fosters a healthy gut environment, which in turn can improve the absorption of bone-building nutrients and reduce systemic inflammation that could otherwise impact your joints. So, by eating radishes, you're not just helping your digestion, you're indirectly supporting strong bones and flexible joints. It's all connected, isn't it? 8 to 9 o'clock. How to incorporate radishes and conclusion, practical tips, encouraging tone. So there you have it. 5 incredible reasons why these little red beauties deserve a regular spot on your plate, especially if you're over 30 and want to keep those bones and joints feeling spry. Now, how can you easily add them to your diet? It's simple. Slice them thin and add them to your salads for a peppery crunch. Dice them up and mix them into your avocado toast or salsa. You can even roast them lightly with a little olive oil and herbs. They get surprisingly sweet and mellow. And for a fresh twist, try juicing them with a few other veggies. Screen recording CUE. Show a quick search on radish recipes easy and scroll through some image results for inspiration. Point to a few different types of dishes. It's all about making small, consistent choices that add up to big benefits over time. Remember, you don't need to eat a mountain of radishes every day. Just incorporating them a few times a week can make a real difference. Your body will thank you. 9 o'clock. End. Final call to action and farewell. Warm, engaging tone.